guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to correct the camera distortion in the Lightroom app. First we have to open up the app, and here we have a picture that we want to edit. Let's say it's this one. In the right side we scroll down, and here under optics we will find enable lens correction. We click on this, and then here we can set the lens profile if it doesn't recognize it straight away. And here we can see the lens correction. If you look at the corners, it's more evident. As you can see. That's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.